So this particular topic for the next 4 minutes is going to be about nurture and what nurture is and how we receive that. So we live in a human body. We are a creature. We have an organic structure that works in conjunction with many aspects of consciousness. It is natively alive. It is capable of keeping itself alive even if there is no animating spirit. So there is this human being that we experience. And there's no one alive who would not understand the nature of mother love. Mother love is understandable by the most heinous criminals, and it's also instinctively understandable by the newest baby born. And each of us looks for that mother love. So mother love is all-encompassing. There's nothing to do, there's no one to be, you simply are loved for who you are. It's very much a creature comfort. It's expressed through the animal kingdom, with a mother love for cubs, for her babies. It doesn't seem to be so prevalent in chickens and things, but nonetheless, it is the nature of all-encompassing simply because you are loved. And this is something that all people, and literally all creatures, understand. Did any one of us ever get enough nurture? Could any one of us ever have enough nurture? And so the challenge we face is, how do we learn to nurture ourselves? How do we learn to be the mother of ourselves? How do we learn to experience that blanket of comfort where we know that all is fine and we are truly loved? So this would be the nature of the first aspect, and this is very human, and this is what humanity natively understands.